first time, the Philippine Innovation Awards regional sub-competition was held outside the regional capital here in Misamis Occidental. Following the competition, officials from the Department of Economy, Planning and Development or DepDev toured several areas of the province, giving them a closer look at Misamis Occidental's ongoing transformation beyond the event itself. What they found, according to DepDev Undersecretary Rosemary Edelion, was that innovation in the province was not confined to the competition stage, but was already taking shape across Misamis Occidental.
Fantastic. Nakikita ko ng mga projects na he's undertaking. So it's really about harnessing yung ano mo na yung meron sa lugar, and then making it parang i-level up siya para to attract more tourists, ganyan. So magandang nakikita kong magiging future.
For DepDev Region 10 Assistant Regional Director Richard Santicua, the developments like Ascenso Global Gardens, the Ascenso Misamis Occidental Recreation and Adventure Park, and even the social development project of the soon-to-open Ascenso Misamis Occidental Medical Center represent more than completed infrastructure.
Daghan kayong projects na nahunahunaan ni Governor Waminal, and these are not just simple projects. These are legacy project. We're happy that Governor Waminal is also our RDC chairperson because he is a visionary. Ang iyang brand of leadership through the Ascenso Misamis Occidental, wala lang na niabot sa Northern Mindanao but spread pa dyan across Mindanao regions.
The recognition not only comes from the recently concluded Philippine Innovation Awards and Tour, but from DepDev's long-standing collaboration with Governor Waminal in regional development planning.